have seen my fidget spinner in YouTube before, okay? I know I lost 3 parts, but it does not matter because look what I got with me. A new fidget. Okay, wait, he didn't see it. But then I'll lose its parts. And I can't believe they come in boxes. They come in boxes that you can't see the color. Fidget cubes. I can't believe I got a pink one. It's so dumb. See?
Oh, it's too noisy. You can't use it in class. It's too noisy.
I don't care. I might bring it, but I won't use it. So these are my fidget things. So I got fidget spinner. This is my old one. This is my new one. This is my new fidget cube. I got fidget cube. Just gonna shake it all day. Wait, what does this do? Oh, it's a button too.